there has been a lot of talk about the 27th Constitutional Amendment. Let me break it down for you, and let me also separate facts from speculations. The rumors flying were that the 27th Constitutional Amendment will target dual nationals, will implement executive magistracy, will allow federal government to take back education, health and population from the provinces, will allow federal government to reduce provincial share in the National Finance Commission award. But guess what? Thanks to the Pakistan People's Party and Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, that this did not happen. So what is actually in the 27th Amendment? The Pakistan People's Party made sure that the 27th Amendment does not target dual nationals or overseas Pakistanis. The provincial subjects are not taken over by the federal government, and that the provincial share in resources is not changed. The federal government does not revive executive magistracy system. The 27th Constitutional Amendment allows creation of the Federal Constitutional Court. More than 80 countries around the world have constitutional courts, and now Pakistan will have it too, just as proposed by Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, late Justice Durrab Patel and Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. The best part is that the Pakistan People's Party was able to ensure equal representation in the Federal Constitutional Court. So no provincial disparity, and inshallah, never again a gross miscarriage of justice as we have seen in the past. The establishment of Constitutional Court was always a part of Pakistan People's Party's manifestos, and it was also an unfinished agenda item of the Charter of Democracy. This will make life easier for those who are waiting for justice. Approximately 55,000 cases are pending in the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The constitutional petitions will be transferred to the Federal Constitutional Court. This will reduce the burden and things will get moving, inshallah. As for immunity, it's nothing that other countries in the world don't have. President always had immunity, so this is nothing new. But the minute a president decides to run for an elected office, that immunity goes away. Pakistan People's Party has always fought for the rights of the provinces. If anything, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari is clear that provinces need more, not less resources. Because strong provinces make a strong Pakistan. So, बराबरी की नुमाइंदगी ले ली और सूबों का हिस्सा बचा लिया. Pakistan, zindabad.